Book now, dog. But brother, you can't manage that. You can't manage that, dog. That battery there, 2 rounds. You can't deal with that?
I mean,
Bro,
yeah.
look what
Can
niggas
you
going
deal
crazy.
with that?
Brother, the girl battery about 20 pound, dog. Each. 40. I mean butter.
Yeah, facts.
Can you manage that, boss?
Oh, yeah.
So if you get her, what you gonna do? What you gonna do?
Yeah, bro, bumper
Give bumper cloud, brother. The man not even understand what you say that.
Listen, I speak English, but every time I hear some deep Jamaica Patois, my brain starts buffering like a slow Wi-Fi. Let's see if you can understand anything in this video. Comment below how many words you understand.
But mama tell you say the girl man check out him one marketing I mean but man no who she talk about bad man. You tell me say me if you come out and pay bills. If you come out and pay bills that over pay bills bad man.
He is talking fast already. Wait, did he just say one word or a whole paragraph? Somebody help. I heard English, then suddenly transformed into platinum level Patois.
Oh, to we come out and to pay bills man. That can't work better. After we buy a car, she talk about say it have cut the half. Oh, you cut the half. I want car. That is what she said to me if you come out. Oh, if you come out. What me I come out go? Eh? What me I come out go, father? Talk to me.
Eh? Wait.
Things get serious. The accent is powerful. Bro, I feel like he's speaking fluent Jamaica Premium Edition. I understand the confidence, but the words, no way. Jamaica really have level to this Patois thing. Beginner, advanced, and the whatever this man is speaking.
Where do you say all about again? Never dare you. Where do you say?
You try visit here, say,
In drop off a bike.
son,
Me say the girl that tell me put out come out old man shine come out the car come out old man that tell me say you me come out who me come out go do who me come out go do
sorry, you know, but no, we just say
One more time.
One time.
Little bit slower. Come me nah hear where you slow it down. Where you say now, man? Where you say?
And me can feel the pain in that talk. Me can feel the pain.
me like girl tell me say come out go do she talk about cut 1 car 2 car 2 car 1 2 car 1 car get me say
God go with you, yeah?
You would
Come on, God.
we can't, no, sir.
When Jamaica starts speaking fast, subtitle become your best friend. At this point, I am just nodding my head and pretending I understand. Alright guys, that was hilarious. Be honest, how much of that did you actually understand? Rate yourself from 1 to 10 in the comment section.
The internet ear.
What are you looking for?
Me I look for the AC for the ear. Wakanda in ear.
What's that again?
You're not Jamaica.
No, that's different Jamaica. I've never heard that Jamaican in my life. I've been Jamaica.
Are you speak Patois?
Of course I can speak Patois.
How come you understand what I say when I hold the ear?
Nah, because man, that language, man.
Sometimes my man when I hold the see for the ear.
And if you're near Kingston, even near Kingston, now, man, there's more the country people speak like you speaking.
Yeah,
You're
me I
town
speak.
people.
Me
You're
I
not a town man. You're
no,
country man.
me I come there when I see for the ear. Sometimes when I try when I hold the ear. So me I come there under the ear. The people here when I see the ear.
Yeah.
You know, sometimes Wakanda when I hold the ear. When I see the ear.
Alright.
Yeah. You
So
know.
what, are you looking for somewhere?
Yeah, me I look for the ear when I east to the west ear. East to the west.
East, what, you're looking to get to east to west?
No, east to the west, Wakanda ear when I ear.
I still can't understand. No.
Nah, you're not Jamaica, man.
No, man. I know many Jamaican. You're the first Jamaican that speaking like that, and I don't understand it.
Yeah, me I speak.
Trust me.
Me I speak the parts on the pass for the ear when I ear.
No, man. You speak like a pidgin talk, man. That's
No.
Jamaican talk.
Me at Jamaica when I east for the east. Me been here for 2 days, I come here.
Oh, you've been there for 2 days?
Yeah, me I come straight from Jamaica when I only see for the Wakanda when I ear.
So you're looking for directions?
Yeah, me I look for the one to see the ear, one to ear. When I see the ear, one to ear, one to ear.
I don't still understand. Sorry, man.
Yeah, bless up.
You know what I mean? I met some raw Jamaican patois, but I've never heard that language.
Yeah, me are from the east to the west Jamaica one day.
Yeah, my family's from St. Thomas.
St. Thomas Day when
Sometimes people don't speak like you. Chilan, you got Portmore, and it's different. I know it's different language in different regions, but I've never heard that kind of patois. Trust me, man.
Bless up.
Most man, the only man I gonna understand you is a man from your region might understand you, and some other neighboring area might understand you.
Man, sometimes I understand me, I speak to everybody part of the when I easy from the ear.
Yeah.
So people they wanna easy when I say this, when I say when I say.
Yeah.
So when I there Wakanda, when I eat there. So depend man about easy for the ear, you know? Alright, sometimes there. I see. You understand what me say, but you don't wanna make see the ear, you know?
Yeah, I don't understand, trust me, man. You're making confused now. You know
Yeah,
what I mean?
me born and bred right to the root there when I Jamaican want the ear.
Alright.
So when I eat the ear, my kinda wanna see it, you know. Sometimes people they wanna tell me.
So where you stay? You stay in this part of London?
No, me I not stay here, me I stay in Peckham, man.
Oh, Peckham, yeah.
Yeah, me I stay there in the hotel there, and people they wanna see for the ear when I kinda there. You know?
Alright.
So people there.
That one on the corner.
Yeah, the one that's a little messy when I ear.
You got a school on the opposite side, next to it.
Yeah, that's the Milamar when I see for the ear.
I know Peckham. I grew up in Peckham.
Peckham there.
I know around them, man.
Yeah. No problem, man. Man, I bless up when I order ear.
Alright, send them more, man.
Send them more.
Yes,
London, wherever you know.
So what parish are you from? Tell me the parish where you're from.
Me are from a kind of Trimelize. The
What?
Trimelize.
Trimelize?
Yes. The Trimelize.
No. You're not.
It's a small.
If you're near Kingston, are you near Kingston?
Me
Or just a little way from
I was
Kingston?
2 hours away from Kingston, little town there, in a small town, maybe 200 people there living there, so you know. We all know each other there, Wakanda there.
Alright.
You know what I'm saying?
So what's your nearest parish to you?
Nearest Kingston, not too far from Kingston there. 2 hours away.
Oh,
The nearest one, Trimelizer.
So you're like equivalent, like say from flipping, like Lewisham come down.
Around there,
where
man.
you're coming, like how we're here now, Elephant, and we got over Westminster Bridge.
Oh, yeah.
Once you go Westminster,
city
we're
there.
in West One, yeah. Yeah, because this is southeast. So after we cross over there, then we go into the city in West End and the big.
I big there when I would
But
ear.
these are the little community town areas.
Yeah, when I would see from the ear, one ear. Oh, me understand, man. Bless them, man.
Yeah, man, sit up.
Bless, stay
Man,
blessed.
Man, nice, exciting.
And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notification for more Caribbean and Jamaica reaction coming soon. Respect Jamaica.